friends, let's learn what's the difference between in and on. In is only used for a depicted space. For example, in stands a box, a room, a bus. The ball is in the box. He lives in India. Because both of them are depicted space. You know how much area they cover. What about on? How can we use on? When something touches the surface of something. For instance, roof, glass on the table, correct, on the street. I live in California and on 16th Street in 201 apartment. My friend is in my room. And the last but not least, she just went dashed roof. Okay. Comment that one.